Mastering Culinary Phrases, Sear the Steak, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a culinary phrase that's both simple and essential: sear the steak. This is a common expression in cooking contexts, and understanding it will not only enhance your English skills but also might inspire you to try something new in the kitchen. Sear the steak is a phrase that comes from the culinary world. To sear means to cook the surface of a piece of meat at a high temperature so that a brown crust forms. It's a technique used to lock in the flavors and juices of the meat, giving it a delicious, caramelized outer layer. When we say, sear the steak, we're referring to this specific method of cooking steak. Let's break down the steps. 1. Heat the pan. Start by heating a pan, preferably cast iron, on high heat. 2. Prepare the steak. While the pan heats, prepare your steak by patting it dry and seasoning it with salt and pepper. 3. Sear the steak. Place the steak in the hot pan. Cook it without moving it for a few minutes until it develops a brown crust. 4. Flip and finish. Flip the steak to sear the other side. You can then lower the heat and cook it to your desired doneness. Searing a steak is not just about cooking it. It's about enhancing its flavor and texture. The high heat used in searing creates a Maillard reaction, a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives brown food its distinctive flavor. This is why a seared steak has a rich, complex taste and a pleasing texture. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, sear the steak, and perhaps even inspired you to try this cooking method yourself. Remember, learning English can be fun and practical. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.